focus on creating videos inside of Adobe Express. Let's click on video here. And if I click on video, you would definitely see that it will give you recommendations on what type of formats is you're going to make. For example, I can start from a simple video that I have. I can import a MP4, MOV, or any video file format that is web supported with just a click of this button. Okay. So for example, I'm just going to go to my movies, and let's say I'm going to import a new video that I'm going to author for TikTok. Let's say, click on that. You can easily create new, and let's make this as a TikTok video. Let's click on that, and automatically I have created a video inside of Adobe Express. So this one is a bit like not fitting to a TikTok video. Let's click on fill video. This is a new button on which it would automatically resize your video, and you can add more scenes. So each one of the pages can be categorized as a scene. So you can easily also add another thing inside of Express. The new Express is that you can add like lots and lots of media. Let's say, for example, I want to add a media or a video from Adobe stock. Let's say design. Let's add a video. For example, running. For example, let's type on running, and you can see that I can easily like drag and drop this or even click on that. Automatically, this will be placed on our timeline, on which you can expand or like create shorter versions of this. In this example, I'm just using like 15 seconds of it. And if I play this, you would see that I can easily monitor or preview the video that I'm creating. For example, if I go here, yes, you would see. You see, you can import your own videos, and you can use Adobe stock videos that you can import in this design. Let's click on this. I can easily add a new scene and click on this one. You can also, this is a new editing experience inside of Adobe Express, on which it works like Premiere Pro, because you don't, what's the great thing about this is that you don't need to install Premiere Pro. You can easily add text on the fly. Let's click on that. Let's click on add your text, and I can easily type um, TikTok videos, for example, TikTok video creation. Let's have that, and let's change the fill to make it white. It's this one, and you would see that another thing that's new inside of the update is that we have text inline editing, so you don't need to go here on the panel. You can edit this on the fly on the canvas itself. You can have like artificial intelligence that will create versions of your design. Let's do this. If I just put a return button here, I can easily create TikTok videos here. And if I click on show layer timing, this will enable me to add specific parts, add specific happenings or time on my video, on which it could transition from one to another. Speaking of transitions, you can also animate the text that you have created inside of this new video experience. If I click on the text, you can easily like create animations. And in this version, it has lots and lots of animations inside. I'm just so excited for this one. Let's click on animation. Let's click on that. You have three things that you can input. You have like in, you can go looping, and even out. So if you go here, this would be the in version. This is the looping. This is the out. So let's try this. Let's click on the element. Let's click on in. Let's do a bungee effect. Let's click on looping. Let's add like a blinking or pulse. Let's click on that, and on out you can go and like drift. Let's go and drift this. Okay, you can also change the duration of your Animation, for example, if you want this to be shorter, or let's make this like 1 second, you can have what we call personality. If you want to make this like smooth, you can easily do that. Like that one, it will give you like a preview of this implementation. Let's click on pulse. You can have like, again, personality. Let's make this like energetic, as you would see there. Let's click on bungee. I can specify what types of how many bounces I can do. Let's say 3 of them or 4 of them. Let's make the duration like 3 seconds. I can add like the direction of this. Let's add the direction, something like that. And this gives you a lot of control when you're authoring videos inside of Adobe Express. This is another thing, is that you can easily like change the theme, and you can easily click on a specific color. All of your designs is now located on a directory, which is your stuff. Let's click on that, on which you can integrate your brands and libraries that you have created from, let's say, Illustrator, Photoshop. And if I click on that, all of my libraries is already synced on this. I can easily access them. Let's click on 3D assets. Let's click on brand. For example, the brand that I have, if I want, I can easily input my logo here. Let's click on that, and just by just clicking on that, I can easily like create a watermark for my video. Let's move here. Let's go back here. I can add again my logo here. Let's put it here, downwards or up here. If I go back here, you can easily again create your uh like the logo. That easy, that efficient, without even like having some problems on on the actual experience on editing the file.